So here we're going out to get a little bit of dinner in Siem Reap. And one thing that I want to really impress upon you is just how pleasant it is. Oh, look how nice this is. Hey, Samai. Where's William? So William loves to travel more than anything. He just falls asleep anytime he's in a stroller or a bus or a tuk-tuk or a taxi, anything. He's a natural born traveler. And just look what a nice evening there is here. The fish are jumping in the river. The trees are big and beautiful. You got cute little roundabouts right here. And a very pleasant old town, which you're about to see. Look at all these really nice decorations here on this bridge. So nice. So nice. It has a very, I guess I would say like a Chiang Mai feel. That's what it feels like to me. Okay, now we're just going to walk over to the pub street just because they have so many nice restaurants. But there's nice restaurants everywhere. This here is the market. It's open quite late. We even bought a few fake Under Armour shirts there. They have tons and tons of these colonial buildings, these French colonial buildings that are still in great shape. Some of them have been significantly altered to make them useful still. But if that's what you've got to do, it's what you got to do, right? Better to alter a building than to knock it down. And so you still have this really charming and pleasant, this charming and pleasant look here. Samai's having the conversation she always has, where someone starts jabbering to her in Khmer, and then she says, "I'm from Thailand," and they say, "Oh, well, you look like you're from Cambodia," which she does.
They start asking about William, but I don't understand what they're talking.
Oh, look at these nice buildings, though. So nice. So nice. Look at that. I love the yellow color. Ever since I went to Vietnam, I fell in love with the yellow colored old buildings. So look at this great Mexican restaurant right here. We actually ate last night at this place. Nice atmosphere. Okay food. Got a really nice old hotel down there. Let's just take a quick peek. So all over Siem Reap are, again, very cool old buildings, quaint little hotels, quaint big hotels, little restaurants everywhere. Everywhere you go, you've got cool, tasteful, pleasant restaurants. That's a Greek restaurant. So, believe it or not, you can stay in this place right here for just $30 per night. Look at this place. What a nice looking hotel. Look at that. And the same hotel, I believe, is across the street, but that portion is currently vacant due to lack of customers in general. So look at this. Look at this restaurant. It's also a hotel. $20 a night for aircon and just in general a reasonable place to stay. But the restaurant is really cool. Like, they nailed the decorations. Look at this. Very nice restaurant. Come on, isn't that like a place you would just like to sit down and enjoy watching the town go by? So good.
Top Street.
Mai and I are eating tonight on the pub street, and we are eating specifically at one of the temple coffees. Although this one isn't coffee, this is a Rooftop restaurant, and here you can just look over and you can see the street right there. Charming, right? Very nice. But what does our place look like? Well, it looks like this. Holy cow. So charming. Again, it's right here on Pub Street. Look at all these great decorations. Look at this. This is where we're eating our dinner tonight, in Siem Reap, Cambodia. Hello, Mai. And here we have a little baby. Baby's doing just fine, as you can see. And so is the little wifey wife. And here we have some delicious tom yum soup. And a really nice hamburger. And because we're feeling real piggish, there is also a seafood pizza on the way. But this is what Pub Street looks like. This is the view from my chair right now. Across the street you have another temple restaurant. This is more of like a bar and like a dance club. And here you can see the lights from the dance club. A little early, it's just 7:15, so the street hasn't really gotten started yet. But boy, what a nice place to enjoy your food. Look at this. This is where our nice music is coming from. So nice. So nice. So that's Pub Street. Or, based on what's lit up here, we'll say the PB Street in Siem Reap. Come here. Come to Cambodia. Spend your money. Locals will appreciate it, and I think you'll surely enjoy spending this money here. It's so nice. Here's the last bit of our food, and that is this ginormous seafood pizza. We have definitely ordered way too much food between the tom yum, the seafood pizza, and the huge cheeseburger. I don't know what we're gonna do, but look at that. Wow. And here is the regionally famous Pub Street of Siem Reap. Look at this. So this is where we have eaten tonight and where we have gone many nights. Sure, there's alcohol, but there's also many great restaurants. If you like to dance, there's plenty of dancing here. Look at this. Crazy. Those bouncers don't look like they're very friendly, but that's fine. That's fine. So, I'll tell you who does look happy. The baby. Baby. You okay, Saimai? I would say so. Okay, anyway, Pub Street. So lining Pub Street are these rooftop bars. There's one up there, and then there's one right up here that we ate at. But a lot of nice old buildings, over 100 years old, that have been renovated and not torn down. These nice restaurants, huh? Upstairs. Most of them have a place to eat upstairs, like Monsoon. Look at that nice upstairs area. All the locals have been going gaga over the baby. Everyone just loves the baby. See, this place is pretty busy. This is El Toro Grill. It has a downstairs and an upstairs, and they specialize in Mexican food. Another temple place, temple massage. Somebody's been begging for a massage. Very nice decorations. And that's Pub Street. Here's a Mexican place that we passed in the daytime. Here it is in the nighttime. Very nice, right? Here we are at the same bridge that we came across at dusk. It's got these beautiful lights everywhere. And there's more lights along the river where there's lots of little shops. And pretty nice, right? Come to Siem Reap, check this place out. It's nice. They're saying hello to us. Again, so pleasant here.
Very nice temperature.
It's a nice temperature out. It's been not too hot. We're very fortunate for that. So you can see that there's lights across the way too, lining the walkways. Siem Reap is a much more walkable city than Phnom Penh. It's almost like they're cities in different countries. Really, right? Yeah. So, and here we are, having arrived at our nice, cute little hotel. I guess it's time to turn the camera off and take the stroller up the stairs.